Greetings to all of you. I want to talk to you about something incredibly powerful, the way you can bring any wish, any desire, into reality. You see, the harvest is not some distant event in time that's out of your control. It's not a matter of waiting for luck or fate to align. The law of identical harvest reveals that your thoughts, beliefs, and feelings act as seeds that determine the reality you experience. Everything you think, feel, and believe will eventually manifest in your life because you are the creator of your world. I'm not talking about an external force that makes things happen to you, I'm talking about you, the immense power you hold within yourself to bring into being anything that you desire. The key to manifesting your wishes lies not in seeking things outside of you, but in realizing the infinite power of your own mind and how it can shape your world. What you believe to be true about yourself, the world, and your possibilities, this is what the world around you will reflect. Now, let's go deeper into how to use this law of identical harvest to create your desires. The process begins with imagination. Imagination is not just a fleeting daydream, it's a tool that taps into the essence of creation itself. You've heard it said, "As a man thinks in his heart, so is he." This truth speaks to the power of the imagination. To bring your wish to reality, you must first imagine it as real. Not just as a passing thought, but as a vivid, detailed experience. You must become emotionally involved with the feeling of having your desire fulfilled. When you truly feel the emotion of having your wish, you are aligning your inner world with the outer reality that you wish to manifest. This is not a matter of pretending or wishing things away. It's about feeling your wish fulfilled with such intensity and clarity that your mind can no longer differentiate between the imagined state and the physical state. To your subconscious mind, the reality you create through imagination is just as real as the one you see with your eyes. The next step in bringing your wish to reality is faith. Faith is not blind belief, but a firm conviction that what you have imagined is already yours. The key here is knowing, beyond the shadow of a doubt, that your desire is already manifesting, even if you can't see it yet with your physical eyes. You must live in the assumption that it is done. When you live in that state of assumed fulfillment, you automatically begin to attract the circumstances, opportunities, and people that align with your desire. This is the essence of the law of identical harvest. What you plant in the fertile soil of your mind, you will inevitably reap in your life. But how do you sustain this belief? How do you maintain that unwavering faith? The answer is simple: persist. Do not allow doubt to creep in. Your thoughts are powerful, and they are constantly creating. The more you persist in the belief that your desire is already yours, the stronger that belief becomes. Eventually, the external world will catch up to the internal reality you have created. You must also be willing to let go of any attachment to how your desire will manifest. The law of identical harvest does not require you to figure out the how. The how is none of your concern. What matters is the what you desire and how deeply you believe that it is already yours. Trust that the universe will unfold in ways that you cannot foresee, but in ways that are perfectly aligned with your highest good. It's important to remember that manifestation is not just about thinking positively or visualizing your wish. It's about becoming the person who already has what they desire. It's about embodying the feeling of fulfillment. This doesn't mean you need to pretend to be someone you're not. Instead, you need to align your thoughts, feelings, and actions with the state of having your desire fulfilled. When you do this, you send out a powerful vibration into the universe, one that signals to everything around you that you are in harmony with your desire. Let me remind you, you are the creator of your reality. Your inner world is a reflection of the outer world. The more you recognize this truth, the more you will begin to see your world shifting in response to your thoughts and feelings. If you continue to focus on the feeling of already having your wish fulfilled, you will begin to notice subtle changes in your environment. The people, situations, and opportunities you need to manifest your desire will begin to appear. One crucial point is that this process requires patience. You may not see immediate results, and that's okay. The seed has been planted, and now it needs time to grow. Think of the law of identical harvest like planting a physical seed in the ground. You water it, you tend to it, and you trust that it will eventually grow into the fruit-bearing tree you desire. But it doesn't happen overnight. The process of manifestation is the same. You plant the seed of your wish in your mind, water it with belief and faith, and trust that it will sprout into reality in due time. Your wishes, no matter how big or small, are always within your reach. If you've struggled with manifesting in the past, don't worry. Now that you understand the law of identical harvest, you can see that everything you need is already within you. The power to create your desires lies in your imagination, your faith, and your persistence. Remember, you are the gardener of your life, and the seeds you plant today are the harvests you will reap tomorrow. The law of identical harvest works with precision and consistency, just like the laws of nature. When you align your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your desires, you are creating your reality on autopilot. The law of identical harvest isn't about a one-time effort, it's about staying persistent, cultivating the belief that what you desire is already yours. Each moment that you dwell in the feeling of fulfillment, you are sowing the seeds for your desires to blossom. Think of it as a constant cultivation of your thoughts. The more you nurture the inner belief and sustain that inner state of fulfillment, the more quickly your desires will materialize in your life. However, it's essential to remain open to the timing of the universe. Often, you may feel impatience when things do not appear immediately, but you must trust that everything is unfolding in divine order. What you are doing is creating a new mental and emotional habit. Just like any new habit, it takes a little time for it to fully take root and produce results. This patience is not about waiting idly for something to fall into your lap, it is about continuing to build your belief and your emotional connection to your wish. Each day, focus on the feeling of having what you desire. Let the feeling of fulfillment become a part of your daily life. Over time, this will shift your inner state to the point where the external world has no choice but to reflect this new inner truth. Moreover, understanding that your thoughts are not separate from your actions is critical. As you shift internally, your external actions will begin to follow suit. The law of identical harvest suggests that the mental seeds you plant are in perfect harmony with the physical actions you take. Your actions will naturally align with your desires, and the path forward will appear clearly. There is no need for force or struggle. When you live in the belief that your desires are already fulfilled, everything else falls into place. The people, the opportunities, the experiences, all will naturally come into alignment. With this understanding, it is important to not only rely on the law of thoughts and feelings but to be aware of how these manifest in your physical world. You will notice shifts in circumstances, sometimes small, sometimes grand, but always in direct response to your thoughts and feelings. These signs are confirmations from the universe that your wish is on its way. The process of manifestation is not about waiting for the physical evidence to appear, it's about knowing, deeply, that what you seek is already yours. As your desires come closer to materializing, it becomes crucial to remain detached from any specific outcome. Let go of the need to control how things unfold. The universe knows exactly how to deliver what you desire, and it does so in the best possible way. Your task is to focus on the end result, to feel the satisfaction of already having what you want, and to trust that the universe will bring it about in its own perfect time. In conclusion, the law of identical harvest is a powerful reminder that you are the creator of your world. What you plant in your mind today, you will reap tomorrow. Stay persistent, trust the process, and let the universe deliver what you desire. The harvest is always waiting for you. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen to this message. If you found value in what you've heard today, please take a moment to like this video and share it with anyone who could benefit from these insights. It's an easy way to spread knowledge and positivity, and I truly appreciate your support. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel. By subscribing, you'll stay connected and receive more empowering content like this. I would love to continue exploring these powerful ideas with you. Whether you're on your path to manifesting your desires or just curious about how to create the life you want, subscribing is a great way to stay up to date with all of our latest videos. It would mean so much to me if you click that notification bell so you're the first to know when new content is released. That way, you can stay inspired and motivated as you continue to create the reality you deserve. Please don't hesitate to share your thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing how these teachings are impacting your life. Your feedback is invaluable to me, and I enjoy the conversation that comes from these discussions. So, go ahead and like, share, comment, and subscribe. Your support makes all the difference, and I look forward to connecting with you in the next video. Let's continue to manifest the life of our dreams together. You have the power, and I believe in your ability to create anything you desire. Keep up the great work, and I'll see you in the next video.